Today, we want another bug. So I needed a car with a title, so that way we can make the Dune buggy street legal. So as such, I drove home this 67 Volkswagen Beetle. Has a title, comes on a 68 pan, and it comes chock full of good parts that I don't have to buy, which is awesome. Picked this up for a couple $100, and it's got everything, almost everything I'm going to need to get this Dune buggy rolling. So the project is gaining traction now. So to build another car, I had to buy another car. So that puts my vehicle limit to 10 now? 10 vehicles. 10 vehicles and a 2-vehicle stack. I make it happen. So this Beetle comes heaped in with parts inside of it. So Matthew and I are going to go through and catalog everything in here while Jesse kind of works on his brakes in the background. You might hear that from time to time.
It's been like a couple years since I've had one.
I can tell you're supposed to have like every 10 years.
Think about your home. See, you just need to.
Got a whole new set of 85mm pistons and cylinders. A little rusty, a little crusty, but nothing a good hone job will get rid of. There's no hits, it's all surface, so that's saving some money right there. I was gonna go to the swap meet and buy some of these. Don't have to now. Most of the guys are sweet. Got quite a bit of engine parts here. Here we got a carb, intake, exhaust, decent looking set of heads, air cleaners, bearings, fuel pumps, set of pistons and cylinders, rods, push rod tubes, other various things, a dual relief case. So there might be enough here to get a usable dune buggy engine. Exciting. So we finished cleaning it out. We've cataloged all the parts that were inside. So now we'll wheel it out, clean it up, and we'll take an inventory of the parts that are on it. So a few things that are inside that I'm going to steal for the dune buggy: gas tank, gas gauge, probably the speedometer. Take that. But really, there's not much else I need for the dune buggy. A lot of good stuff here. A lot of good stuff here.
A lot of good stuff.
I'm excited. Should be pretty good. Now we just got to get all the junk out of here. Just got to vacuum it out. But so far, you know, I think I'm pretty pleased with all of this. I'm over the moon. Over the moon with a 67 Beetle. Digging it. Digging it.
It's like SpongeBob where he's like sweeping and I was like, oh hey, yeah.
There's probably like raccoon poop in there, like rat poop. Looks pretty gross. Looks pretty
It
gross.
smells gross in here.
Here, let me find you. Let me get you an access point. Let's sweep that stuff out of it. All right, ready?
I am ready.
Access point. There you go.
Here we are.
You can sweep it all out of there now.
Yeah, son.
So we got the interior cleaned out. Pretty good haul of parts in this thing. We do have to get these cool little pop-out windows out. Those will bring some good money. But the best part is this has a title and this has a pan that can go to the dune buggy. I'm pumped about that. Pumped about it. It is a pretty good haul. But I think that's all we're going to do today. Start boxing up some of this stuff and labeling it. Take it home, build something. Wahoo.
Sounds good.
Wahoo.
This one goes out to all the ladies out there. I'm going to execute a handbrake turn. Watch this and learn. And that's how you do it. So ladies, please contain yourself.